Thank you for choosing Ardmore Toyota and Central City Toyota to service your vehicle.
We believe in full transparency and superior communication, so we do things a little bit differently.
Here's what to expect when it comes to your experience with our company.
First, you will receive your service appointment confirmation via text or email.
When you arrive for your appointment, our team of valets and service advisors will check your vehicle in. From there, our advisors will give you an overview of the service that will be performed and point out any manufacturer recommendations.
This is known as our vehicle check-in process, where pictures and a video walk-around is taken and everything is documented. Once you approve the work to be performed, your vehicle goes directly into our state-of-the-art service center.
Your factory-trained Toyota service technician will create a walk-around video, go over your vehicle's condition, and show you what services were completed.
In addition, this video will include any additional recommendations that will be sent along with the multi-point inspection report to you via text or email for approval. This not only provides transparency, but also gives your guests full control.
Once service and repairs are complete, you'll be notified. Your time is valuable to us, so we offer a no-wait pickup experience. We ask and prefer our guests pay online to expedite your service visit. You can even use our financing option if needed for any unexpected repairs. It's that easy.
You'll receive another notification after pickup. We want to make sure you're fully satisfied with your complete service experience. This is when we get your feedback and truly hope we've earned a 5-star recommendation.
We look forward to seeing you again. Ardmore Toyota and Central City Toyota service. Always here when you need us.